Good morning, Diana. This is Jay here at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for inquiring about one of our very beautiful, brand new design 2018 Hyundai Sonatas. I do have it in the blue color, and as you can see, I have it in that red color as well that you asked about. So whichever one that you like, I definitely got it here. And I do have two different types of blues. This is the Lakeside. I do have a electric blue, which is more of a vibrant blue. But this one here, this is the standard model like you asked for. Now this one here is going to give you all the features that you want. One thing, it's going to give you better visibility. Also, too, it comes standard with blind spot monitoring system on the rear view mirror. So you will have that blind spot system help you out. It does give you a visual and an audio warning. You get the big screen there, which is, of course, Apple CarPlay ready. Also, too, it does have a backup camera. And again, the visibility, even without the backup camera and the blind spot monitoring system, is pretty daggone good. I mean, the windows are wide. Also, too, we don't have that small cutoff window at the back either, so I'm sure that you're gonna enjoy the way it actually looks when you turn it around. Now also too, you're gonna get the America's Best warranty with it, 5 years, 60,000 miles new car warranty, 5-year unlimited mileage roadside assistance warranty, and we still double the powertrain warranty at Tameron to 20 years, 200,000 miles, no extra cost to you at all. So you won't find a bigger warranty, you won't find a better car at this price with these many features. You give me a call, 205-380-6250 is the dealership number. Again, I'm Jay here at Tameron Hyundai. Talk to you soon.